Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here in the garage today doing a little bit of goofing around. I got a pretty cool mail call for you guys for tonight, but I wanted to do a quick update on the two new Crossmans that I brought home yesterday. And this one, you guys actually saw it was working, but I did run this across the chronograph and I was very, very surprised at the performance of this. The Crossman manual actually from online actually says this is rated for up to 350 feet per second, and I was actually seeing it running at 375 feet per second, so it's pretty cool. But I'm really kind of digging this this little Crossman M1 carbine. I did order. It's an aftermarket one, but it's a replacement magazine, so it'll be kind of complete. But it doesn't sound like it's doing 375, but actually I was able to get several good readings across the chronograph. I didn't take a screen capture of it, but we'll do a good review of this down the road. But that is pretty darn cool. It wasn't shooting when I first got it, and I put some oil down the down the oil hole and worked it several times, and it actually started working. But the other one that's in actually even better shape is this Crossman 766. Best I can figure, it's from right around either 80 or 81, and it was not pumping up, but I did have a spare pump cup in stock, and now it is actually pumping up very nicely. Three pumps. No problem. So there you go. That is not bad for free. I think the pellet went in backwards. I've kind of played around with that in the past, putting them in backwards, and it actually helps when you're cutting up a can there. But so there is the update. Oh, and somebody did point out to me, and I believe it is. I believe that is on backwards, the front sight. But we'll fix that later down the road. I forgot to even look at it. But let's go ahead and get into our mail call now. This is all stuff coming in from Buck Rail, and actually two packages from Terry. Both of them ought to be really cool stuff. Let's see. I know I got a pocket knife in my pocket here somewhere. Got my 4-blade Crossman pen knife here. Let's tear into this first package from Buck Rail. Okay, so this is although it is coming in from Buck Rail, it is a product from DonnyFL. Go ahead and open both of them up, and then we'll talk about what we got. So we got a second package here as well. So I ordered another 1/2x20 suppressor from him. I've got so many guns out here that have a 1/2x20. I've been swapping suppressors around, so I want to try to get one for every gun that I have a 1/2x20. I've been seeing a few people playing with them, and I decided to try one out myself, but I ended up getting the Picatinny rail mount for a Daisy nude product, Daisy Red Rider. That's pretty cool. So we'll be trying that out, Picatinny rail. And then this is actually a under the barrel mount for a Red Ryder as well, where you could mount either a laser or maybe a bipod or something. And I have I had a whole bunch of Red Ryders here, but I just sent off a bunch of stuff over to Denny, Flat Broke Air Gunner, to give away on his channel. So all the only new production Red Ryder I have now is this one, which was part of the 1,000 subscriber giveaway from Bird Dog Outdoors. Actually stamped as Bird Dog Leatherworks. But we're going to go ahead and mount that up. I'll do another video on that down the road, but it's just part of the mail call. But the real thing that I'm kind of excited about is these parts that I got from Terry from DonnyFL. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got. I've been wanting to get a DonnyFL suppressor just to check them out and see what the whole hoopla was about. But what we have is a Tonto, and so this one is got the 1/2x20, and it is a 177 22 caliber. But Terry also included another little item here that I think is going to be pretty cool. So this is a product from DonnyFL as well that is intended to turn either a Tonto or a Koi from a direct screw-on to a quick disconnect version. So you have a quick disconnect, so you take this back section of your old style Koi or Tonto off. Okay. And then this quick disconnect part screws on in its place. Now you can mount this 1/2x20 quick disconnect part on your gun of your choice. Let me grab one that doesn't have a suppressor on it right now. So I have my Snow Peak SP500 with the Buck Rail kit on there. Let's go ahead and thread it actually does have a set screw, so you can stick that on there, but I don't think we need that for. So it said it is keyed, so you can only put it on one way. There you go. It won't latch it. It won't let me twist at the quarter turn to latch it. I'm sure I'm doing something wrong, but huh. Well, anyway, I'll figure that out. But that is going to be a lot of fun to play around with on the channel when I figure it out. But I was hoping I could show you today, but I guess I'm going to have to use the it says for PCP use only. That's why it won't fit on this spring air gun. Silly me. So let's do this. We'll take that off of there. Let me find a PCP to put that on. Just happen to have my Buck Rail no-toast. Let's go ahead and take that 1/2x20 off and see what we can do. Where'd it go? There it is. There it goes. All right, that's better. Let's try that. So I have my Maple Product single shot tray there. The bench is a mess. All right. Pretty quiet. Not bad. Take it off. Definitely don't want to try it with it off, but there you go. That is pretty darn cool. Stepping it up to the big leagues. I do like this single shot tray, that's for sure. But there you go. That is the DonnyFL Tonto with his quick disconnect adapter attached. I'm not sure if I'll continue to use that or not. I really don't plan on shooting it with it off, so why would I disconnect it? But that's really what I intended to get it for, was to stick on this no-toast. Hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.